Pakistan. Pakistan has produced some great gaming studios. The title animation sequence of Game of Thrones, the world's most watched TV series these days, has been produced by Hamid Shaukat. Cricket Companion application, which received worldwide recognition, was also developed by TriCast Media, a Pakistani startup. Pakistani visual effects artist Mir Zafar Ali has received 3 Oscar awards for his work in The Golden Compass, Life of Pi, and Frozen. Novera Masood, a Pakistani animator, has provided stunning visual effects in some of the most popular Hollywood movies, including Maleficent, A Christmas Carol, Thor, Transformers 3, and Jack the Giant Slayer. Like Novera Masood, Lareb Atta is another emerging visual artist from Pakistan who has worked on visual effects for popular Hollywood flicks such as X-Men, Godzilla, and Gravity, to name a few. Hossein Rahman is the founder of Jawbone, a Silicon Valley startup which has been creating consumer technology and wearable devices for the past 16 years and was valued at $3 billion last year. Another Pakistani-owned Silicon Valley startup, Swagable, is valued at $20 million. E-commerce is also picking up in Pakistan with leading portals such as Daraz.pk, Packwheels.com, Foodpanda.pk, and Symbios.pk, to name a few. The State Bank of Pakistan has allowed the opening of internet merchant accounts, which enables IT companies to receive payments online from their foreign customers using their bank accounts. TradeKey.com, the world's second largest B2B marketplace with more than 7 million registered members from over 240 countries, was developed in Pakistan. There is a rising wave of entrepreneurship in Pakistan at present, particularly in the IT sector. Talking about investments of Rocket Internet, a German venture capital firm, in different e-commerce ventures in Pakistan such as Carmudi.pk, Lamudi.pk, and Daraz.pk. Coeen Thizan, co-CEO of Asia Internet Holdings, said, "It seems that the country naturally has the entrepreneurial gene. A major chunk of the company's investments in Asia will be in Pakistan." With over 114 million mobile subscribers spread across some of the leading telecom operators, the demand for new and innovative mobile applications is growing by leaps and bounds due to the widespread deployment of high-speed broadband. To that end, Pakistan's mobile apps companies have shown extensive experience in developing both consumer and enterprise mobile applications for Android, iPhone, and Windows platforms at almost 1/4 of the cost when compared with North America and Europe. For instance, Cricket Power TM, a game developed by Mindstorm Studios, was selected as the official game of ICC Cricket World Cup 2011. A locally developed photo editor by Pepper.pk and Five Rivers Technologies reached the #1 spot on BlackBerry's App World. Several apps developed for the iPhone platform have also reached top spots on Apple's App Store. Since 2010, 25 Pakistani IT companies have won gold or silver awards at Asia Pacific Information and Communication Technology Awards in different categories including startup, mobile applications, e-learning, e-health, e-government, security, supply chain management, communications, and financial applications. These achievements are a testament to the high-end expertise of the IT companies of Pakistan. Pakistan has a strong academic base when it comes to IT. Pakistani IT graduates are skilled in the latest IT tools and technologies to meet the changing demands of the global IT market. Many of these universities have technology incubators also, where IT graduates polish their business plans, develop prototypes, and market their innovative products and services to potential customers and investors.
We graduate from Pakistan. They are already in Microsoft and other big organizations, Intel and other places. And our universities are doing a good job to train them and to make them at par with the world standard. And this is the area where the youth is delivering basically, and this is their area, this is their area.